students. Today we are going to learn the area of the sector and segment with length of arc. So let's start. If we have given a circle and if radius of the circle is r, and if we want to find out the area of the circle, so we have the formula for area of circle is pi r square. And what will be the area, what will be the radius of the circle? We put the value of radius and we calculate the numerical value for the area of this circle. Now consider the one more circle where the shaded part of this circle, this area, we have to find it out. So as shown in this figure, this is the diameter of the circle, and diameter of the circle we know that divides the circle into two equal halves. That means the area of this shaded part is nothing but the half of the area of the circle. So we can write it as area of the shaded part of this circle, or we can say area of semicircle, that is 1 by 2 into pi r square. Now if we have given the circle and it is divided into 4 equal parts, and if we talk about the area of this part, so what will be the area? So let us consider in this figure, as we are talking about the semicircle, so this boundary of this semicircle and these two radii makes a figure or the part of the circle bounded by the two radii and arc is known as the sector. Similarly, in this figure also, this unshaded part is also the sector, as it is divided, it is bounded into the two radii and this arc. So here this unshaded part is also a sector. Now as we have written, for the area of this semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. So in the same way we can write the area for this for 1/4 part of the circle. Now here remember one thing, that by the two diameters this circle divided into 4 equal parts, that means 4 equal areas. Here each area or each part out of these 4 parts we can find out the area, that is 1 by 4 of the area of the circle, that meaning 1 by 4 into pi r square. Now can you find out the area of this figure where the two radii and an arc makes a sector? So let us consider again for finding the area of this given figure. First figure, as we are talking about this circle and area of this circle is pi r square. Now this boundary of the circle subtends 360 degree angle at the center. So one complete revolution is there. So we can write it as 360 degree angle out of 360 degree angle. So 360 upon 360 into pi r square is the area of the circle. In terms of the angle, we can write the area 360 degree upon 360 into pi r square. Now consider in the second figure where is the semicircle. Now this arc of the circle subtends 180 degree at the center, as this diameter is there, and this boundary of this circle, or we can say arc, is the semicircle. So subtends angle, this arc subtends angle 180 degree. That meaning here we are talking about the angle 180 degree out of the complete 360 degree angle. So we can write half of pi r square as 180 degree upon 360 degree into pi r square. Similarly, for this third figure, this circle divided into 4 equal parts, and this is the angle of 90 degree. So out of 360 degree we are talking about the 90 degree angle. So formula we can write it as 90 degree upon 360 into pi r square. So in terms of angle we can find out the area. So similarly for this also we can write the formula as all in these 90 degree, 180 degree, these are the angles subtended by the arc. So here this arc AB subtends angle theta. So we are talking about the angle theta out of this 360 degree angle. So formula will be area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. This is the formula for the area of sector. Now if I am asking about the circumference. So circumference is the total length of the boundary of the circle, and it is equals to 2 pi r. And if this small part of the boundary of the circle, if we consider, so it is known as the arc, or we can say this is the arc of the circle. Let us consider the second figure where this arc is shaded by this blue color and shown by the blue color. So if we talk about the area length of this, or we can say length circumference of this semicircle, this outer half boundary of the circle. So this half boundary is, but we are talking half, that means whatever the circumference of the complete circle, this is the half part. So we can write half into 2 pi r, half into circumference. Similarly, if we consider the circle divided into 4 equal parts, that is boundary of the circle divided into 4 equal arcs. Here this is the arc. So all the 4 arcs are equal in measure. Now this part, which is fourth part of the total boundary or total circumference, so we can write circumference of this arc or length of this arc is 1 by 4 into 2 pi r, as it is 1/4 part of the circumference. Now can you guess the length of this arc when it subtends angle theta? Now let us consider in terms of angle. In the first figure, as this circle is 360 degree angle and we are talking the complete circle, so it will become 2 pi r as 360 upon 360 into 2 pi r. Similarly, this arc in the second figure subtends 180 degree at the center. So we are talking about the 180 degree out of 360. So this 1 by 2 replaced by 180 upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. Similarly, this 1 by 4 is replaced by 90 upon 360, as we are having the circle divided into 4 equal parts. So each part subtends angle, each arc subtends angle 90 degree at the center of the circle. So 90 degree upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. So for this, when the angle is theta, we can write this is the theta out of 360 degree into 2 pi r. So here length of arc is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. Now what about the area of the segment? Let us consider BC is the chord which divides a circle into 2 parts. Each part is known as segment. So this blue shaded part is known as the minor segment, and this white part of this upper part of the chord CB is the major segment. So if you want to write, or if you want to find the area of this segment, is nothing, it is only, observe the figure, it is find out by subtracting the area of this triangle from the area of the sector. So we can find it out, area of the segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. And area of sector formula, we know that the theta upon 360 degree into pi r square, and area of triangle we have to find it out for the particular problems. So in this way we can find out the area of the segment also. So we have the three formulas here. Area of sector is theta upon 360 degree into pi r square, and length of arc is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r, and also the area of sector minus area of triangle becomes the area of the segment. So let's apply these formula in a problem, how we can find it out using these formula. So let us consider the exercise 12.2, question number 3. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. We have to use the pi is 3.14. Now here in the given figure we have to find it out, area of minor segment, that means area of ABCA, this we have to find it out, and major sector, that means this full big part of the sector where the angle is given 90 degree. So let us start the solution. As we have to given the AB is the chord which subtends 90 degree at the center, and also this AO is the radius given 10 centimeter. So let's start the area of minor sector. As this minor segment, when we have to find this minor segment, so what we have to do, we have to find it out the area of sector AOBC, and when we subtract the area of this triangle from the area of sector, we get the area of minor segment. So first of all, we have to find the area of minor sector, that means AOBCA. So this area of the minor sector or area of the sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is given 90, so 90 upon 360 into pi r square, and also value of r is given 10. So we can write 90 and 360 both will cancel out. We can cancel out it 0 by 0, and 9 4s are 36, so it will become 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 10 into 10. In the value for 22 by 7, this we have to use the pi 3.14. So by putting the pi 3.14 multiplied by 10 into 10 and divided by 4, we get the answer for area of minor sector is 78.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle AOB. For finding the area of the triangle AOB, we have given, as in this problem, AO and OB both are the radii of the circle. So area of the triangle, we can use the formula of half into base into height, where base is AO and height is OB, or we can write OB is the base and AO is the height. Anyone we can consider base or height. So half into base OB into OA, and both are equal to 10 centimeter as they are radius. So half into 10 becomes 50 degree, becomes 50 centimeters. So 50 centimeter square is the area of the triangle AOB. Now what we have to find? We have to find first point, minor segment. So we have the area of the sector, also the area of triangle. By subtracting area of triangle from the sector, we get the area of minor segment. So let's take area of the minor segment, that is area of minor sector minus area of triangle, and the area of sector we find it out 78.5, and area of triangle minus 50 centimeter square. So area of the minor segment, this area of minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. Now second point, we have to find area of the major sector. So area of the major sector, that is, if we have the area of the circle and we subtract the area of this minor sector from the area of the circle, so we get the area of the sector or area of major sector. So let's take area of major sector is area of circle minus area of minor sector. So area of circle, that is 3.14 pi r square. So pi, we have to use the pi 3.14 into 10 minus 78.5. After solving this, we get 235.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the major sector. So here we get the answer for area of minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square, and area of major sector is 235.5 centimeter square. So by using the formulas, area of sector theta upon 360 degree pi r square, area of segment, or we can say minor or major, depends on the problem. Area of segment, the formula is theta upon 360 degree minus that area of minor segment will be the area of sector minus triangle, and length of arc, that means if we want to find this arc ACB, so formula for length of arc is theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r. So here we can find it out the area, the length of this arc also. So by using these three formulas, we can find it out the area of sector, area of segment, and the length of arc.